See, in today's class we are going to learn about relationship between multiplication and division. As in the previous class already you have learned what is multiplication. Multiplication means whenever we will do repetitive addition. That means, suppose say here I have given the example that one is multiplication, this one, and this one is division. So in multiplication what we are doing, repetitive addition. In the previous class also I have explained multiplication is the repetitive addition and division is the repetitive subtraction. So here the same thing only I have given you, and I am showing you the difference between these two. First is we will discuss multiplication. So 5 into 2 is equal to how much? 10. So how we are getting? If we will add 5 times the 2, then we will get the result is 10. See, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many 2's are there? 5 2's are there. So when we will add these 5 2's, we will get result 10. So same thing only we have done here, that 5 into 2 is equal to 10. That means multiplication means repetitive addition we can call it. Thus 5 times addition of 2 is 10. That only we have done here. 5 times we have added 2 and the result is 10. So what we will do in case of division, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. How we are getting? As in the previous class already I have explained that this is the repetitive subtraction. See what we are doing? First we will subtract 2 from 10. What is the result? 8 is the result. Again from 8 we are subtracting 2. What is the result? 6 is the result. And again from 6 we are subtracting 2. We get the result 4. Again 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Till which we will subtract till we get the result 0. That only we have done here. So how many times subtraction we have done? You count. This is first, second, third, fourth, and this is fifth. So 5 times if we subtract, we will get the result 0. Again I am explaining, listen carefully. What is multiplication and what is division? Because now we are studying about relationship between multiplication and division. Multiplication. In multiplication, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. That means how many times we will add? 5 times we will add. Which number we will add? We will add 2. If 5 times we will add 2, then we will get the result as 10. That only we have done here, and that only I have written here, that thus 5 times addition of 2 is 10. That means whenever we are multiplying, that means we are adding the number with the how many times? The according to the multiplication is given. Like here in this example, as we are multiplying 5 with 2, so we will add 2 5 times. Same thing only we are doing in the division. Only in place of addition we will do subtraction. Okay, so how we will subtract? Actually, what is our motto? The division, first we will see what we are dividing. So here what we are dividing? 10 with 2. When we will divide 10 with 2, what is the result? 5. So that means 10 minus 2. This is first time we are subtracting. Count with me, you count also. 10 minus 2 means this is the first time we are subtracting, and we are getting the result as 8. Then 8 minus 2, this is the second time subtraction, we are getting the result 6. 6 minus 2 is the third time subtraction, we are getting the result 4. 4 minus 2 is the fourth time subtraction, we are getting the result 2. 2 minus 2 is the fifth time subtraction, and the result is 0. So till when we will subtract, till we get the result 0. So how many times we did the subtraction? That is 5. So obviously 10 division 2 is equal to 5. Okay, till this clear? Then next slide I will display the questions. So you have to do it by yourself. First take out your books and copies. Okay, and you will do the see, already I have displayed some questions here. Take out your book, page number 71. Okay, take out your book from page number 71. One question I am saying you do, one explanation I will give. With that you do in your book. First you complete in your book. When your copy is needed, that time again I will tell. Okay, open page number 71. See the first question. Fill in the blanks is given. See the first question. Fill in the blanks is given. Question number 1. That is only I have done. See my screen. This is only I have done here. 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. This is the question. Question number 1A. You see question number 1A. Exercise 5.2. Question number 1A. 72 divided by 9 is equal to, what is the result? 8. Means here fill in the blanks is given in your book. So here what I have written, you see. That means is this division only. How we are writing? This division only we can write. 9 into 8 is equal to 72 we will get. This is the relationship between multiplication and division. Again I am going back to the previous slide. See, here also what we have done. 5 into 2. Anyone is having any doubt? You are having any doubt? Okay. You are getting, no? Okay. Oh. Okay, no need to say everybody. Okay, mute. Okay, see here only I am telling you, see, here I have already explained the relationship. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. That only I have written here, no? Yes or no? So same thing only given in your book, page number 71. See, 72, I am going to the question. 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8, means 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Okay, the next one, those who are having book, no, with the pencil, take your pencil and write in the page number 71, fill up the things. First number question, A number answer is 9 into 8, like this only you write. I have written already here, means 9 into 8 is equal to 72. This one you write. Okay, then question number B. Question number B is 28 divided by 7. The question is already given in your book, so you only write the answers. Okay, so some answers I have done here and some you will do by yourself. Okay, so this is the answer of first question number 1A. Okay, question number 1 is 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. That means we can write 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Then question number B is, what is question number B in your book? 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4 is given. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4 is given. So how you will write? 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. This is the answer. Then those who have not written, write it in your book. Write it in your book with the pencil. I am repeating, write it in your book with your pencil. Okay, later I will inform you when to write in copy. Then question number C. Here I am displaying, no, 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. The answer is, right, question number B, the answer is, you can do it by yourself. No, one answer I have explained, means rest are same only. So you can do by yourself. Actually here what we are discussing? We are discussing the relationship between multiplication and division. That only we are doing here. Okay, so you have to already the division is given, so you have to get the multiplication, means what is the relation between this division and the multiplication. That only I am explaining. Okay, so question number 1 is, no need to say this finish and all that. Okay, keep quiet. Let me finish first, because I have to look after all the students, no, not only you. So just wait. Those who are finished, be patient. Okay, so first question is 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. That means we can write 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Question number B, 28 divided by 7 is given. Answer is 4 given. That means how we can write in multiplication? 7 into 4 is equal to 28. Like this only we can write. Question number C. Go for the question number C. Question number C is 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9 is given. Question number C is 30. What happened? Who is that? Yes. Hey, Aktrit, stop presenting. Don't press here and there. Yes, you tell. Tell me more. Fill in the blanks is given, no? Yes, like this only you have to do. Okay. Just 1 second. Let me finish one person, then I will go for others. Okay. Yes, Myanmar, that is correct. Like that only you have to do. Okay. Okay. Just wait, Aktrit. Make mute. Your voice is on mute. Yes. Okay. Okay, let me explain the question number C. Okay, I was explaining question number C. Question number C is C. 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9 is given. That means how we can write 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Listen carefully, I am saying beforehand don't do by yourself. When I am explaining in the class, no, that time only you have to do. Don't do at home by yourself. Repeatedly I am saying don't do it by yourself at your home. Okay, though you know it, I know it very well that you know everything, then also you should not do it, because in class time it is meant for solving the problems. Okay, then see question number D. From your book you see question number D is this one only. 7 into 9 is equal to 63 is given. 7 into 9 is equal to 63 is given, and after the means, see, 2 fill in the blanks are given. 2 fill in the blanks are given with the end. Okay, so what we will write? This 63 first we will divide with 9, we will get one result, and 63 we will divide with 7, we will get one result. That only I have done here. See carefully. 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7, and 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. This only we have to do. If 2 fill in the blanks is there and with the multiplication we need to relate, means we have to do like this. Okay. Question number E also I have done. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 is given, and means how we can write the same thing only? 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, and 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. So F G H I J is the homework. F G H I J is the homework. If I will get time after explaining question number 2, we will solve those things also. Okay, then question number 2. Come to the question number 2 of page number 71. Come to the question number 2 of page number 71. What is the question? Write the multiplication fact and then write its division facts using the following numbers. Okay, means what is the multiplication fact and what is the division fact by using these numbers. See, first is given, this is your question number A. This is your question number A of question number 2. The numbers are 2, 5 and 10. Means with what we will multiply which number so that we will get a result, and how the division we can mention by using these 3 numbers. That is the question. How we will display the multiplication and how we will display the division. For multiplication, see, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Yes or no? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. That means here we are using the multiplication. So with the multiplication fact, see, I have displayed here also how to write the thing. Like this only you need to write. This one you do in your copy, because in book you don't have space, so you do it in your copy. So how to do this multiplication fact? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. This is the multiplication fact. So same thing how we will describe in the division fact. In the division fact, see, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. The same thing only I have written. See, 10 divided by means it is in terms of division we are writing. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Again 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. So how we are getting these things? Here already I have explained. See this line. See where I am showing, see this line, this is the multiplication fact, okay, and these are the division fact. So here also same thing only I am doing by considering these three numbers. By considering these three numbers, first I wrote the multiplication fact, that is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Then the division fact, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, and 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. Then question number B. This is in your book, no? Question number 42. Question number E. In your book, no? It is question number E. As I have represented B. Okay. So, but in your book, it is question number E. Question number E is 42, 7, 6. These are the number. So by considering these three numbers, we need to find the multiplication fact and we need to find the division fact. So what is multiplication fact? 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. Okay, this is a multiplication fact. If we will multiply 7 and 6, we will get the result 42. So how we will describe this in a division fact? In the division fact, we can describe 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6, and 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. Like this only you need to write. Okay, just 1 second. Till this clear, everybody? Have you taken note of this? Okay, if you have anybody is having any doubt, no, just unmute and ask. If you have any doubt, just unmute and ask, else you keep quiet. Okay, so till this I have finished. So rest the questions, no. Question number 1, look at your book. Question number 1, F, G, H, I, J, solve it now. And question number 2, already A and E is done by me. I have done A and E. Then question number B, C, D, F. Question number B, C, D, F of question number 2. Okay, do it by yourself. Now we have time, so now only you sit and complete it. Yes. No, first you complete in book. Okay, later I will tell when to complete in copy. Okay, first you complete in book and keep quiet. No need to say miss I have finished, okay. So you complete it and keep quiet. Okay, as you are opening your camera now, I can see who has completed. If you are sitting quietly means you have already completed. That is only I will consider. Okay, completed. Sit and complete. Those questions I have done, that is already done. Okay, that you maybe you have taken the note from the screen, but the questions which I have not completed, no, now you sit and do it. Okay, complete it. I myself will also complete, no, because you will ask the answer what I will say. Devin, do it, simply don't sit. Yes, miss. Oh, really? I forgot, no? Okay, I will ask. Thank you, Devin. I will ask, okay? No issue, I will ask. Just, we will finish this portion, then I will ask you, okay? Now, first you finish question number 1, F, G, H, I, J, and question number 2, B, C, D, F. B, C, D, and F. Repeat. Question number 2 is there, no? One second. Question number 2 is there, no? From question number 2, B, C, D, and F. Finish. B, C, D, and F. Okay? Who is that? Hey Ashok Tappo, simply was sitting. Solve the sums. I told to solve the sum, no? Where you are looking? You have done. Solve the sum repeatedly. This Ashok Tappo. I forgot her name. Yes, Sunita. Simply you are sitting. You need to solve the sums, no? Which one? Devin? Page number 71, question number 1. Questions are F, G, H, I, J. Solve it. Before only don't finish means repeatedly I am saying no. Don't finish, you need to solve it in class. Next time onwards don't finish the thing. Those who have finished, rub it and keep your book clean. Okay? Because in class we need to solve the problems, no? If you will finish the thing at home, then what is the use of the class? What I will do in class? Tell me. Hey, mute it. Sunita, mute. Why you are not solving, Sunita? You don't have book and copy? Sunita? Are you solving? No need to say finish, just give me some time. I have not finished. I will tell you the answer. No, if I will not finish, how I will say? Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Now mute everybody and check your answers. Okay, I'm telling one by one answer, you just check it. Page number 71, question number 1. F number answer is 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 is given. Mrinmoy, are you checking? Nicely sitting, no? I can see everything miss from here. Look at your book. I am telling the answers. Check your answer. Only my Rajnandini and Devin is only good boy and good girl. Listening to me. Seriously. Others are nicely sitting and sleeping, no? Oh, Madhusri also. Sorry, Madhusri. I forgot your name. Not Madhusri. She will get angry one day. You are always calling me with my mother's name. Okay, all are good boy and good girls, but yes, miss, I know, but I told, no, as it is showing here Madhusri, I will call you by Madhusri only, miss. Like, see, Manasi, yes, miss, Manasi's name also I know, but I will call Bisal only, no, Manasi. Okay, check your answer, okay? Question number F, answer is 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Question number F, the answer is 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Okay, then question number G. Question number G, the answer is 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6. 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. The second one also you can write it first, okay, no issue. 54 divided by 9. Hey Ajay, where are you? Ajay? Ajay Vishwas? You are able to understand the thing? Are you able to understand the thing which I am explaining? Okay. Question number G. Question number G. The answer is 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6 and 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. G number answer only I am telling now. G number 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6 and 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. Then H number 7 into 8 is equal to 56. H number 7 into 8 is equal to 56. Mayures, correct? Correct, Mayures? Okay. If I will be wrong, you just inform me, okay? Means this is this answer you have not done correctly, okay? Just inform me if you are finding that I have done wrong. Tell me. Sajal Taraftar, tell me what happened. H number, just give me some time. H number I have not told till now. H number I am going. H number I am telling, wait. Okay. G number answer is 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6. Then 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. This is the answer. Two fill in the blanks are there. Then H number. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. 7 into 8 is equal to, those who are writing 8 into 7 is also correct. Okay. 7 into 8 you can write, or 8 into 7 also you can write. The answer will be 56. Question number I. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8 and 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Question number J. Question number J. Answer is 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8 and 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. Okay, till this clear? Miss, J number answer is 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8 and 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6, J number. Okay. Then question number 2. Come to question number 2. Come to question number 2. Question number 2, A number is already done. I have done A number. Okay. Question number B is, the multiplication fact is 6 into 4 is equal to 24. The multiplication fact is 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Mute. Kindly mute it. Rajnandini mute. Sajal Taraftar mute. Sunita, kindly mute your microphone. Just 1 second. Let them mute, then I will tell. I have done mute. Sunita, no need to worry. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number B. Okay. Question number 2. Question number B. The multiplication fact we need to write first. The multiplication fact is 6 into 4 is equal to 24. The multiplication fact is 6 into 4 is equal to 24 and the division fact is 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Mayures, don't turn your camera. And Mayures, what you have done? 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6 and 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Then question number C. Question number 2. Question number C. The multiplication fact is 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. The division fact, 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. The division fact, 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Okay. Question number D. Question number D. The multiplication fact, 9 into 3 is equal to 27. The multiplication fact, 9 into 3 is equal to 27. The division fact is 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Devin, am I correct? Yes, miss. Okay, I am getting. Okay. Then question number F. Now I am telling the answer of question number F. The multiplication fact is 9 into 5 is equal to 45. The multiplication fact is 9 into 5 is equal to 45. And the division fact is 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. And 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. Clear? Now, one by one I am asking. If you have not written any answer or you are having problem with any answer, you have not able to hear the answer, just let me inform so that I can clarify your doubt. If everybody is written, then no need to unmute. Of which number? Why you didn't hear? You were concentrating somewhere else, and you were watching the fish. But already you have done the answers. Listen, this video I'm going to upload, no? So from there also you can get, okay, the answers.